Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you in a rush to get to work but still want to look your very best? Look no further. I have the solution. I am the solution. I am going to show you how to achieve a nice no makeup look for a 15-minute rush out the door. I have an issue with waking up on time in the morning, and I always end up rushing out of the house. And some days I don't have time to put my makeup on, and I don't always want to wake up an hour early to apply an hour worth of makeup. So I came up with a solution. I came up with a small but effective routine for those of you who value your beauty sleep and just want to wake up and get ready in 30 minutes or less. I have something great for you. First things first, I'm going to show you everything that I use that give me the most efficient makeup process. What usually helps for me is if I get a small bag like this and just keep my everyday items in that bag. I can just pull this out instead of digging through my pile of makeup that I have. So much makeup. I'm not digging through that. So all my everyday items will go in its bag, and I'll just keep it to the side. Whenever I need to get ready, I'll just get this and use that and not have to dig through all that. But yeah, that's basically it for my 15-minute makeup look. So first thing I like to do is I like to grab my Ilia lip mask, and I like to put that on first. And then I like to go in with a brow gel. My favorite is of course the Benefit one that I showed you. It's just so easy to use, and it comes in a small container if you prefer that, a travel size, and I can just throw that in my small bag. My go-to primer so far has been the Glow and Sculpt. It just has a really nice applicator on it that you can just roll on your face really quick, and it dries down. You don't really have to rub it in if you don't want to. This is not a necessary process, but if you have dark circles under your eyes, you can definitely go in with a color corrector. I use NYX. That's just what I've been using so far. They have a peach color that I've been using. I believe they have a darker peach color as well, but this one works out for me. I will go in with the color corrector first, and then I would just go in with the Ilia foundation on my hand first, and then use my beauty blender to grab just a little bit of it and apply it to my face. I would apply a thin layer. You don't really need too much of this product. It's not meant to give you full coverage. It's just meant to, you know, even out your skin tone. If you have really dark spots, I would do the color correcting first and then use that, the foundation, because it's not gonna really cover too much. after I do the foundation, I will go in with my concealers. The reason why I use 2 concealers is because I really like the Huda Beauty concealer, but the shade that I picked up was I just felt like it was a little bit too warm and I wanted it to be just slightly brighter. So I only use this concealer right underneath my eyes, or where I would have darker spots, and then I would do a few dots of the concealer and blend it out really gently under my eye. A little side note, I like to use my beauty blenders dry. I don't know if anyone else does this, and I don't know why, but I feel like when I put water in it, it just leaves patches on my face. And even if I squeeze it out until my hand hurts, I still feel like it's just too much. But it does really look beautiful on the skin. Next thing I'm going to do after the concealer, I like to go in with some setting spray. That not only rehydrates your concealer and your foundation, but it kind of lets it melt together and look more like skin, and it also sets it in place, so anything you do after that won't make it move around. Side note, all my products are cream. I don't really like to use powders except for setting powder. After I do the setting powder, I like to go in with the Patrick Ta for Face Duo, Foundation Duo. I like this product, but it is kind of hard to find your shade. I would definitely use this as a foundation, but the one that I picked up was a little bit too dark for me. You can use it as a foundation if you like, but me, I'm gonna use this as a bronzer. And it comes with a little powder too, if you just kind of want to use that. I don't necessarily use that. One day I'll find a use for it, but I haven't tried it out. After that, I like to go in with my Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer blush. Yes, that sounds cool. It's a tinted moisturizer blush. So it's a liquid blush. I like to put a little bit on my hand. I don't really like to overdo it with it. I like to take my fingers and kind of blend it out on my hand a little, and then just tap my cheeks with it, and that just gives me an even amount of blush, but a little tiny amount, because again, I just want to look more awake. I don't want to look like I have a full face of makeup on today. All you really need now is lip gloss or a pretty nude lipstick. Personally, I like to go in with a lip gloss. I have this lip gloss from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade, did I say Charlotte Tilbury? Wrong. I'm thinking of the lip liner. Okay, lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury. Lip gloss from Clinique in the shade Black Honey Pop, which is a really pretty mahogany shade of a lip gloss. Next up, you're gonna want to go in with your mascara. I like to use the Blink tubing mascara. This mascara is so good. It does not smudge, but since it is a tubing mascara, it does flake a little bit. It only really flakes if you touch it, so I would suggest not doing that. But this one, since it flakes away and doesn't like melt away, I find that it washes off easier, and it stays on for longer, and it makes your lashes long as shit. I really like them to have length. My lashes are pretty long already, but they kind of like are long straight and not long curved. I find that I can see my lashes a little bit better with this mascara, and yeah, as you can see, they do look a whole lot better. That is just a quick and easy 15-minute little look that's gonna have you looking and feeling great on your way to work. And remember, the main key to this look is keeping it fresh, natural, and very simple. That's for the club only. You're going to work. Okay, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. I hope you loved it even. If you guys want me to do any other looks, any other tips, advice, anything like that, just leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up or thumbs down if you hate this video. You know, share your opinion. I don't care. I need the advice. Like, just let me know. Yeah, don't forget to leave that notification bell on to see my next video. And if you don't have it on, of course, give me a little ding. Click it right now. And that's about it. See you guys in the next video.